Let's take a pause and I'm gonna explain what we're doing. We're gonna do about 3-4 feet of the flooring and then kitchen cabinets. And we had to kind of sand these down to kind of make sure it's level. But other than that, we're gonna do 3 to 4 feet of flooring and then the kitchen cabinets. And then we're actually gonna try to finish the living room and the kitchen flooring.
I said let go.
All right, so we're gonna call it because we've been here, I think 10 hours now. So we're gonna be back tomorrow to finish up the flooring in the living room. Hopefully we could finish the loft. And let me show you guys the bedroom. So this is the last thing we're gonna do, because as you guys can see the mess. But the kitchen, I love the kitchen. I wish I had the appliance here so you guys can fully see everything, but let me know what you guys think. But believe it or not, this was a very expensive kitchen, or should I say expensive cabinets. But other than that, everything went well. We had to tweak a few things, but you can't really tell, so that's all that matters. So I'm sure you guys know the fridge is gonna go here, sink, washer, dishwasher, and range, and then the microwave is gonna be up here. So that's it. It's starting to become like a real home. So I mean, it is gonna be the brightest cabin in the woods. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.